children, in the last lecture I taught you the different types of oxide. Now one by one I am going to teach you these oxides. First is acidic oxide. As I told you, acidic oxides are also known as non-metallic oxide. These are the non-metallic oxides. Means whenever a non-metal like, for example, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. These oxides turn the blue litmus paper turns blue litmus into red. These oxides turns blue litmus into red. So when these oxides are formed, when the non-metals react with oxygen on heating, like carbon when react with oxygen on heating, like coke. Coke when react with oxygen process is also known as combustion reaction. It will form the carbon dioxide. Sulfur when react with oxygen on heating, it will form sulfur dioxide. When these oxides react with water, like carbon dioxide, when react with water, it forms the H2CO3, known as carbonic acid. When sulfur dioxide reacts with water, SO2 plus H2O, it forms the sulfuric. It forms the H2SO3. It is known as sulfurous acid. So these are the acidic oxides. When these acidic oxides react with base, like base NaOH, react carbon dioxide, it will form Na2CO3 plus H2O. Means it will form the, when carbon dioxide react with base or alkali NaOH, it will form the carbonate, sodium carbonate. This is the sodium carbonate. Similarly, when sulfur dioxide react with base like potassium hydroxide, like sodium hydroxide, it will form the salt and water, like KOH plus SO2, it will form K2SO3, potassium sulfide plus water. Potassium sulfide and water molecule. So this is the acidic oxide, which is non-metal. When react with oxygen, it forms the acidic oxide, like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, phosphorus trioxide, phosphorus pentaoxide, like that. When these oxides react with water, they form their acids. When these oxides react with base, they form the salt and water. Base plus acidic oxide change into salt and water. So these are the example of acidic oxides. Next oxide is basic oxide. Basic oxides are the metallic oxides or basic oxide when metal react with oxygen on heating. Metal plus oxygen on heating, metallic oxide or basic oxide formed. As sodium metal react with oxygen, it will form sodium oxide Na2O. Similarly, potassium when react with oxygen on heating, it forms the potassium oxide. Calcium on heating with oxygen, it forms calcium oxide. Magnesium on heating with oxygen or burning with oxygen, it forms the magnesium oxide. So all these are the metallic oxides which form when metals react with oxygen. Next, when these metallic oxides react with water like this, Na2O react with water, it forms the hydroxide, NaOH. Calcium oxide when react with water, it forms CaOH whole twice. Means metallic oxide when react with water, it forms the metallic hydroxide. And these metallic oxides turn blue litmus into, these are the basic in nature, and these turn red litmus into blue. So these are the example of some metallic oxides. So next video again I will continue some more basic oxides and neutral and amphoteric oxides. Thank you. Have a nice day.